A content management model is a set of roles, responsibilities, standards, and guidelines that concern how and by whom content is created, published, updated, and retired. In our research, organizations typically follow one of three content management models: centralized, distributed, and hybrid.
In a centralized model, a single team owns the creation, management, and publication of content. The benefit of this approach are that unwanted content is less likely to be posted, content is carefully reviewed, there's fewer training requirements, and a clearer understanding of the content that's already published. Drawbacks are that the content management process can be time-consuming, and production cycles for new content can sometimes be slower.
In a distributed model, ownership of content creation and management are spread across the organization. Benefits of this approach include a greater sense of ownership and faster production cycles, since many more people contribute. Drawbacks include the need for more guidance and training, regular inventorying and auditing, and the risk of introducing an impressive quantity of content, but at a lower quality.
In a hybrid model, a central team owns some content, such as the main navigation and key landing pages, while employees across the organization can freely manage what's relevant to their role. Benefits of this approach include the ability to control critical areas of content, while still giving experts freedom to contribute their domain. Drawbacks include moderate training, standardization, and auditing needs. In a recent usability study, we tested intranets from 14 organizations, which utilized either a centralized, hybrid, or distributed model. We found that the organizations in our study that utilized a distributed model performed significantly worse for time on task than organizations that utilized a centralized or hybrid model. In other words, it took users of intranets with distributed content management models significantly longer to find needed content or tools. This finding suggests that having some central management of content may be needed to ensure content is consistent, of high quality, and that it actually helps users quickly and efficiently find the information they need.
Choosing the right content management model for your organization depends on a variety of factors: its size, the goals of your product, and the capacity of the team that manages the content. Understanding the benefits and the drawbacks of each content management model can help you choose the right one to improve the overall user experience.